Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add auto subtitles in YouTube video into any language and without using any third-party software or website. So very simple and easy way. Firstly guys, open a video where you want to add subtitles for different languages like I want to add different language for this video. So click on edit. Now here guys, you have to scroll down and click on this subtitle. Make sure you not click this subtitle, but you have to click on this left side panel subtitles. Now here guys, you will see some languages and here is the English automatic. So here click on duplicate and edit. Now edit if you need or just click on publish. Now you will see your base language English, and after that just click on add language. Now here select your desired language like Hindi. Now here click on add. Now here you will see the option auto translate. Just click on it. So here we can see this auto captions and publish. In just 1 or 2 minutes you can add multiple languages. Add language like Arabic. Now here click on add and click on auto translate. You can edit and modify text if you need, then publish. So very easy and simple way guys, you can add a number of languages in your YouTube video. So first you need your base language, and once you publish your base language, so you can add multiple languages in 2 or 3 steps. That's it. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel. Please comment this video useful for you or not.